Yeah, if you have an older Gerber Edge FX like we do, sometimes you will get a cassette error. The longer we've had this printer, the more errors creep up to where it is at the point now that almost every time we use this, we get a cassette error. What we have figured out is that when you get a cassette error, you raise the lid and we take an old cartridge. And this motor right here has a clutch set in it, is what we can figure is a clutch set. And we take an old empty roll and we put the gear on there and we just spin it. And you can see it's really, really tight. And once you get a little spin to it, then it starts spinning freely. Every time you use the printer during this next print, it's going to work perfect. And you can see the gear inside of the hole. We line it up with the gear on the motor, spin it, and all of a sudden, the error is gone. And we can print 4 or 5 different foils, different colors, do an entire print, and we won't have any more issues. Now, once the machine sits for a little bit, that error will creep back up. So what we actually do is when we open the top and we take the alcohol and clean the printer head, we go ahead and put that empty tube on there and we spin it a couple times until you feel it going free. And then we have no print issues. Now, I know inevitably it's going to finally fail and this cheat code is not going to work. But as of right now, it works for us every single time. We have zero issues with it. And we all know the frustration when you get 5, 6, 10, 15 cassette errors. This has solved everything for us. And we do very short runs. We use this printer probably once every 2 weeks to print about 5 feet worth of graphics for each project that we do. Good luck and hope this works for you.